Whenever a client comes in with a dented or scratched up watch they want completely detailed, Gray & Sons Jewelers goes the extra mile to make sure you receive the best possible service by providing them with a complete overhaul and detailing of their timepiece. Here at Gray & Sons Jewelers, we specialize in Audemars Piguet watch repair and maintenance. We are an independent Audemars Piguet repair center, servicing most models of Audemars Piguet luxury watches using authentic and original parts. Once we've diagnosed any issues in the watch and know what watch parts are needed, our watchmaker takes apart the watch piece by piece and prepares it for cleaning. If we find any rusted or damaged parts that need sourcing, we locate and replace them. We use 6 different cleaning solutions and an ultrasonic machine to make sure all dirt, dust, and dried oils are extracted from every crevice within the watch parts. This Audemars Piguet Royal Oak chronograph was restored to its former glory. We can fix these blemishes and have your luxury watch picture perfect even after years of wear and tear. Here at Gray & Sons, our watch repair center can service AP Royal Oak models like AP Perpetual calendars, AP chronographs, AP offshore models, and more. Is your watch scratched, dented, or dirty? Factory original case polishing is our specialty on the Royal Oak and Royal Oak offshore models. One of our Swiss-trained master watchmakers actually worked for and was trained by Audemars Piguet. Feel free to visit our repair center in our Miami Beach showroom. At Gray & Sons Jewelers, we do Audemars Piguet watch repairs because we love Audemars Piguet watches.